Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our channel. Today inshallah we have the third lesson of Al-Qaida Noorania course. Let's get started. So the name of our lesson today is Al-Huruf Al-Muqatta'a, which means separated letters. These letters, you're only going to find it at the beginning of certain surahs, and it has a special pronunciation. So we know them because when we start reading the Quran, you're going to face them at the beginning of certain surahs. You have to be familiar how to read them. First block we have here contains 3 letters, and we read them like this. You should read like this. Alif, Lam, Mim. What did I do? I stretched the Lam and Mim for 6 count, and I made no stretch for the Alif. Always Alif has no stretch. You shouldn't prolong it at all. This is the rule. But the rest of the letters, like we're seeing here, we stretch it, depends on the numbers of the letter existing at the same letter. So this letter Lam contains 3 letters. While pronouncing Lam, if you write it, you'll find it in that shape. Lam, Alif, Mim. Or in English, L-A-M inside the letter Lam. So we're saying Lam. So we're stretching the middle letter, which means Alif. So you have to make it 6 count. It will be Lam, and the Mim the same. So the general pronunciation is going to be Alif, Lam, Mim. Okay. Second block we have contains 4 letters, and all of them we're going to make them 6 counts except the Alif. As we said, Alif has no stretch. So the Lam we're going to make it 6, Mim we're going to make it 6 counts, so I'm going to make it 6 count as well. So the general pronunciation is going to be like this. Alif, Lam, Mim, Sad. Okay. At the next block here, we have 3 letters. The Alif, and we said has no stretch at all. And the Lam, because it contains 3 letters, like the Mim, like the Sad, also contains 3 letters, we're going to make it 6 count. But letter Ra here contains only 2 letters. If you write it, you'll find Ra, then Alif, Ra, or R, then A. Only 2 letters inside that letter. That means you're going to make it 2 count only. The stretch, we're going to make it 2 count only, like this. Ra. So the general pronunciation of the word is going to be Alif, Lam, Ra. Got it? Then we have a block contains 4 letters. 2 of them, we're going to stretch them 6 count. And the first letter is Alif. It has no stretch. Last one is Ra. As we said, it has only 2 count. So the general pronunciation is going to be like this. Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra. Next block we have here contains 5 letters. First one, which is Kaf, it has 3 letters inside it. So you're going to stretch it 6 count. And the Ha contains 2 letters. So you do it 2 counts only. And the Ya the same, 2 count. And Ayn, it has 3 letters. Ayn, Ya, then Noon. So Ayn. Okay? And last one is Sad. Also, you're going to make it 6 count. But this Ayn, you might make it 4, and you can make it also 6 count. But here we can make it also 6 count because we are doing the other letters 6 count. But later inshallah I'll explain why there are 2 options of this Ayn, 4 and 6 count inshallah when it comes to the Tajweed rules course. So the general pronunciation is going to be Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ayn, Sad. Alright? The next block is so simple. Contains only 2 letters, and both of them we make it 2 count mad. So it will be like this. Taha. One more time. Taha. Next complex we have here contains 3 letters. First one we stretch it 2 counts because it contains only 2 letters, And the next two letters, we're going to stretch them 6 counts, as we said, because each one of them contains 3 letters inside it. So you're going to read like this. طا سين ميم. Next one we have here contains 2 letters. First one we stretch it 2 counts, and second one, which is seen letter, we will stretch it 6 count. So the pronunciation is going to be like this. طا سين. That's it. Alright? And next complex is Ya, then seen letter. You're going to see them at the beginning of Surah Yasin, and you have to read them like this. Yasin. Next one is only letter Sad, and also you see it at the beginning of Surah Sad, and you have to read it like this. Sad. We made here 6 counts because letter Sad contains 3 letters inside it. This word we have here is Ha, then Mim. First Ha, it has only 2 letters, so we're going to stretch it only 2 count. And second letter, which is Mim, we're going to stretch it 6 count because it contains 3 letters inside it. So you should read like this. Ha Mim. Okay. Next complex we have here, you're going to find it at the beginning of Surah Shura, and it contains 5 letters. Ha, then Mim, then Ain, Sin, then Qaf. Let's see how should we read them. So you should read like this. Ha Mim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. Okay. Next one is letter Qaf, and you will see it at the beginning of Surah Qaf, and you have to read it like this. Qaf. We made that 6 counts because it contains the 3 letters inside it, which is Qaf, Alif, and Fa. And last letter we have here is letter Noon. You will see it at the beginning of Surah Noon, and you have to make it 6 count, as we said before. So you should read like this. Noon. Okay. And now let's read the whole lesson together. So, الدرس الثالث الحروف المقطعة ألف لام ميم ألف لام ميم صاد ألف لام را ألف لام ميم را كاف ها يا عين صاد طه طاسيم ميم طاسين ياسين صاد حميم حميم عين سين قاف قاف نون. Barakallah feekum. If you enjoyed this video, please share and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. And barakallah feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.